In an election-related violence at Heirok, one individual sustained serious injury after he was attacked with a spade while one house and one two-wheeler vehicle were burned down. The incident reportedly took place at Heirok Laishram Lekai, neighboring with the locality of Heirok MLA T.H. Radhesham on Monday night at about 7 p.m. The source further revealed that one individual identified as Abujam Ramananda, 26, of Heirok Kabo Lekai was attacked on with a spade by one Tokchom Romeo, 44, son of T.H. Ingo of Heirok Tokchom Lekai. As Ramananda sustained serious injury on his head, he was immediately shifted to Raj Medicity, Imphal. Following the incident, family of Ramananda and his locals vandalized the house of Tokchom Romeo and burned down his two-wheeler vehicle. It is said that the victim, Ramananda, is the driver of MLA Radhesham's father. A huge team of Manipur police comprising of Taubal District Additional SP Soibam Sachidananda, Imphal East and Imphal West commandos, police personnel rushed to the spot and managed to control the mob by firing several rounds of tear gas shells and blank fires. The situation is under control. Security personnel are on alert to prevent occurrence of further unwanted incidents. Meanwhile, MPCC former president and Heirok former MLA Morangthem Okendro expressed that the incident that took place in relation to the 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly election as quite unfortunate. Speaking to the media persons, Okendro urged the people to compose themselves and not to force anyone in choosing their rightful candidate based on their opinion. It may be mentioned that there were also minor cases of violence in the Heirok Assembly constituency for the past couple of days in relation to the upcoming 2022 elections.